Now it's very easy to install your washer and dryer in your apartment first or second floor, no problem. Just call 718-746-6819. If you think it's complicated to you, leave right way going to the check up valves and temp.
You look like you're a little white on your shoulder.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. What's that sticking up?
Working in crawl spaces. Don't delay your washer and required by Clearview Gardens. Check. Stop the Hummer water sound with this. Time to enjoy. Let us install your washer and new stockable machines for the years to come. Winter, summer, do not go anywhere to wash and dry. No going nowhere for washing and drying your clothes.